This week, we're going to cover a little different way to enter the properties in a class, which I think you guys are going to love. And we'll also cover records, what they are, how to create them, indexers, and generics. So there are some web readings you're going to want to take a look at. And you'll notice I've got several resources for indexers, generics. Once you understand what they are, you don't have to continue reading through the resources. But I just wanted to give you enough so that you would have an understanding of what these things are before you go into the lecture and demo. Then the lecture and demo is split, get back down here, into a couple different sections. Properties and records are covered together. And so we go through properties first, and then you will learn more about creating records. And when we get into that discussion, we are going to talk more about the difference between mutable and immutable properties. Which is why one of the readings involves learning about immutable and mutable. Then we get into indexers and what those are and why we use them. And then finally, we get into generics. And so generics are actually pretty cool. You basically use a generic data type, which allows you to send any data type to a method. So it's actually pretty cool. So you guys are going to learn all about that. And then you're going to be practicing what you've learned in the lab assignment. And so there is an exercise on creating and using a record. There is an exercise creating and using a class with an immutable property so you can understand how that works. We have an exercise creating and using a class with an indexer. And then we've got one creating and using a generic class. Okay, so you will get to work with all of these different data types so you can understand what they are and how they are used. Under additional resources, I did include some videos because some people learn better from videos. So there's a video on records, indexers, and generics. So if the videos work for you, I would watch those in addition to doing the readings. If you run into any problems or have any questions this week, please let me know because I am here to help you.